Good morning, children. So today we will be doing the last part of the chapter, that is Grameen Bank. Okay, I discussed it last day that we will be doing up the last part today. So Grameen Bank of Bangladesh is one of the largest success stories in reaching the poor to meet their credit needs at reasonable rates. Started in 1970 as a small project, Grameen Bank in 2018 has over 9 million members in about 81,600 villages spread across Bangladesh. Almost all of the borrowers and women belong to the poorest sections of the society. These borrowers have proved that not only are poor women reliable borrowers, but they can start and run a variety of small income generating activities successfully. So Grameen Bank was started in 1970 in Bangladesh. Now it is not written here, but it was started by economists. So economist's name you should know is Muhammad Yunus. Okay, it was started by him. Why? To provide microcredit to the poor people. Okay, so as it is said that it was a small project, and in 2018 it has over 9 million members in about 81,600 villages spread across Bangladesh. All the borrowers are women, means those who borrow money from the Grameen Bank are women and belong to the poorest sections of the society. So these borrowers have proved that not only poor women are reliable borrowers, but they can start or run a variety of income generating activities. So you see, generally it is as we know that generally the households take loan for various kinds of purposes. But here you see women from the households are taking loans from the Grameen Bank. Now, in case of Grameen Bank, no collateral, no security is needed when you take a loan. Interest rate is also less. So these borrowers have proved that not only the poor are reliable borrowers, means how come they know that they are reliable borrowers? That means the women are repaying the loan on time. Moreover, why are they taking loans? They are taking loans to start and run a variety of small income generating activities. Now see, here the name is written, Professor Muhammad Yunus, the founder of Grameen Bank and the recipient of 2006 Nobel Prize for Peace. This area needed to be studied, and write a short note on Grameen Bank. This area has to be studied. Okay. Now, I will be summing up the chapter. So this summing up I will be doing in the next video. So Grameen Bank is clear. It's a bank which gives loans. Loans are mainly taken by women for various income generating activities. They are very reliable borrowers as they repay the loan on time. No collateral is needed against these loans in case of Grameen Bank. First started in 1970 as a small project. Within 2018 it has got 9 million families. Professor Muhammad Yunus was the founder of Grameen Bank. And in 2006 he won a Nobel Prize. Okay, so now we will be summing up the chapter in the next video.